Hey, hope everyone's having a good day. I do have a pretty extreme contouring look that's not fully blended just because it is quarantine. I decided to start the FabFitFun box subscription for $49.99 a season, so every 3 months a box comes. It does come with this magazine that gives you all of the prices and descriptions of products that will come in some of the boxes. I did notice that some of these boxes already had items from previous boxes, maybe 3 to 6 months before, so they are sending out some of those older items, it almost seems like. This Graphie weighted sleep mask for $40 was pretty darn heavy. If you're a side sleeper, it may not be the best for you, but because I have a weighted blanket and blackout curtains, it was so soft and it was perfect. It stayed really cool. I really enjoyed it, especially once I got it to stay on. Now the next one, I'm not super crazy about getting beauty products in these boxes. I did say that I don't want any at all, but they sent me a mascara, which was nice. Next up, we have this sleep lotion. I didn't get to try this yet, but I really do love putting on like sleep type, lavender type lotions before I go to bed. The Avene Thermal Spring Water is really similar to the Evian spray that you see in Walgreens and Targets and things. It is around the same price point with more luxurious packaging, but I don't think it's any better than the Evian Spring Water. The next one was my quote-unquote mystery choice. I don't know if this is an extra item that they always send or what this is because it's not even in the magazine. I thought it was going to be really, really sticky. It did smell pretty good, and it blended in just like water, maybe even like a snail type serum. These tea towels, I'm not sure why they sent them. I might end up making them into a pillow of some sort. I don't really make a lot of scones and biscuits right now. The next one is one that I chose before it got to me. I think all in all, this is something that I know me and my family like to use. It is really creamy. I know it's high quality. It helped me with my acne scars, so I already knew that I wanted this product. The very last one that I opened out of my box was this ribbed sweater coat from Donnie. I don't know if I would pay $99 for it, but it was certainly very well constructed. I absolutely love it. I just know that I wouldn't be paying $99 for it out of my own pocket. So all in all, was this box worth it? I think even with the one item that I knew I was going to get that I would love, I think it was totally worth it. Some of these things were not worth it for me, but even just the 1 or 2 items that I absolutely loved, it was worth it. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're staying safe out there in quarantine. See you next time.